Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I'll be exploring essential multiple choice questions, MCQs, with brief explanations from Unit 1 on the topic of semantic analogy, symbolic or number analogy, and figural analogy. For MCQs on other topics, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's try to answer some important multiple choice questions one by one with a brief explanation focusing on semantic analogy. Question 1. Marathon. Endurance is propositional to sprint. A. Speed. B. Distance. C. Strength. D. Stamina. Answer A. Speed. Explanation. A marathon tests endurance, while a sprint tests speed. Question 2. Odometer: distance is propositional to barometer: A. Pressure. B. Temperature. C. Humidity. D. Rainfall. Answer A. Pressure. Explanation. An odometer measures distance, while a barometer measures atmospheric pressure. Question 3. Knife: cut is propositional to scissors: A. Tear. B. Slice. C. Trim. D. Stitch. Answer C. Trim. Explanation. A knife is used for cutting, and scissors are primarily used for trimming. Question 4. Architect: building is propositional to sculptor: A. Painting. B. Statue. C. Bridge. D. Blueprint. Answer B. Statue. Explanation. An architect designs buildings, while a sculptor creates statues. Question 5. Mercury: planet is propositional to helium: A. Element. B. Gas. C. Star. D. Metal. Answer A. Element. Explanation. Mercury is a planet and helium is a chemical element. Question 6 is 4:16 is proportional to 6: A. 36. B. 18. C. 64. D. 24. Answer A. 36. Explanation. The second number is the square of the first. 6 square is equal to 36. Question 7. 8:64 is proportional to 7: A. 49. B. 343. C. 21. D. 81. Answer B. 343. Explanation. The second number is the cube of the first. 7 cube is equal to 343. Question 8. 15:45 is proportional to 8: A. 24. B. 64. C. 32. D. 56. Answer A. 24. Explanation. Multiply the first number by 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. Question 9. 21:28 is proportional to 35: A. 42. B. 45. C. 49. D. 50. Answer A. 42. Explanation. Add 7 to the first number to get the second. 35 plus 7 equals 42. Question 10. 3:9 is proportional to 5: A. 10. B. 15. C. 25. D. 30. Answer C. 25. Explanation. The second number is the square of the first. 5 square is equal to 25. Question 11. Square: cube is propositional to triangle: A. Pyramid. B. Prism. C. Tetrahedron. D. Cone. Answer C. Tetrahedron. Explanation: a cube is a 3D representation of a square, and a tetrahedron is a 3D representation of a triangle. Question 12. Circle colon sphere is propositional to rectangle colon? A. Cuboid. B. Cylinder. C. Pyramid. D. Cone. Answer: A. Cuboid. Explanation: a sphere is a 3D representation of a circle, and a cuboid is a 3D representation of a rectangle. Question 13. Star colon pentagon is propositional to pentagon colon? A. Hexagon. B. Decagon. C. Octagon. D. Circle. Answer: B. Decagon. Explanation: a star fits inside a pentagon, and a pentagon fits inside a decagon. Question 14. Line colon plane is propositional to point colon? A. Circle. B. Line. C. Dimension. D. Space. Answer: D. Space. Explanation: a line creates a plane, and a point extends into space. Question 15. Wheel colon circle is propositional to box colon? A. Cylinder. B. Cube. C. Prism. D. Rectangle. Answer: B. Cube. Explanation: a wheel is circular, while a box is cubical. Question 16. Library colon books is propositional to bank colon? A. Money. B. Vault. C. Security. D. Coins. Answer: A. Money. Explanation: a library stores books, and a bank stores money. Question 17. Cell colon battery is propositional to atom colon? A. Electron. B. Proton. C. Molecule. D. Nucleus. Answer: C. Molecule. Explanation: a cell is a basic unit of a battery, and an atom is a basic unit of a molecule. Question 18. Forest colon trees is propositional to desert colon? A. Sand. B. Heat. C. Oasis. D. Camel. Answer: A. Sand. Explanation: forests are dominated by trees, while deserts are dominated by sand. Question 19. Feather colon bird is propositional to fur colon? A. Dog. B. Mammal. C. Cat. D. Lion. Answer: B. Mammal. Explanation: feathers are characteristic of birds, and fur is characteristic of mammals. Question 20. Oxygen colon respiration is propositional to carbon dioxide colon? A. Combustion. B. Photosynthesis. C. Decomposition. D. Pollution. Answer: B. Photosynthesis. Explanation: oxygen is used in respiration, and carbon dioxide is used in photosynthesis. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.